Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dana and you are watching my corner. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be doing a clip-in review slash styling clip-in. Guys, in today's video I'm going to be styling my clip-ins that I got. They are called Tamara Beauty Supply. So they actually come in 10. This is what they look like. So they actually came in black, and like it was just all black. So I had to dye it to kind of match my hair. I'm gonna show you guys what color I used to achieve this. It's really cute. Okay guys, so these are the clip-ins. It's called Tamara Beauty Supply, and this is the dye that I'm gonna be using. It's the Dark and Lovely, and it's the Honey Blend, because this was the same color I used for my hair. I'm just gonna follow the instructions on there. So you could straighten it if you want to, you could wash it, you could color it, which is what I'm gonna do right now. So I'll let you guys know what it says. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and style my hair with these. I'm gonna leave all the information to these clip-ins in the description down below. So because I don't think I remember what length this is, but I think this might be 18 inches, but I'm gonna leave it down below. Yeah. So guys, I went ahead and parted my hair in the back and cornrowed it because I figured it would be much easier, because I didn't want like a lot of my hair out. All I'm gonna be doing, I'm gonna measure out like each one to see which one matches. And so this is what the clip-ins look like. So it's like a clip and then the back just like that. It's pretty easy. Parted out a section of my hair in the middle so I could use that to cover the clip-ins when I'm done putting them in. Secured the clip-ins into my hair, and now I'm gonna go ahead and bring out, this was the middle one. I parted it out for my hair. I'm gonna go ahead and put this back away. You guys should let me know if you want me to do like a natural hair style, like how to style your natural hair video, type of video, or like it doesn't even have to be that, it could just be maybe my wash day routine. Yeah. Clip it to stay so secure in there. It's not going anywhere.
You win.
Yeah. Okay guys, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be back with more videos. Bye.
Don't let that get away. Don't let